Meaning of graveled.
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 Graveled. The word graveled is the past tense of the verb gravel. To gravel means to cover or spread with small, loose fragments of rock or stone. When something or someone is described as graveled, it means that they are covered or filled with gravel. For example, a driveway or a path can be described as graveled if it is covered with small stones. The use of gravel can provide better traction and drainage for vehicles and pedestrians. Additionally, graveled areas can be aesthetically pleasing and add texture to a landscape.